Hi there, I'm Cooper. Welcome to Golden Rule. Today we will tackle common issues that many homeowners face, that mysterious white stuff on your faucets. I'm here to help you understand what it is, where it comes from, and how to get rid of it. So what exactly is that white stuff? Well, it's usually mineral deposits or limescale. These deposits are harmless but can be a bit of an eyesore. They're mainly composed of minerals like calcium and magnesium that naturally exist in tap water. Now let's discuss where this white stuff comes from. Two main sources. Hard water. The most common culprit is hard water. If you live in an area with hard water, your tap water has a higher mineral content which can accumulate over time. Well water. This white stuff might be more prevalent for those of you with well water due to the naturally occurring minerals in your well water. How can you say goodbye to that pesky white buildup? Here are some easy methods. A vinegar solution. Grab some white vinegar and mix it with equal parts water in a spray bottle. Spritz the affected areas and let it sit for a few minutes, and then gently scrub it with a soft brush or toothbrush. Finally, rinse thoroughly with water. Lemon juice. Another natural remedy is lemon juice. Apply it to the white spots, let it sit for a while, scrub, then rinse. Commercial cleaners. Plenty of commercial products are designed specifically for tackling mineral deposits. Just follow the instructions on the label for the best results. Water softener. If hard water is a constant issue, consider installing a water softener in your home. It can help reduce the mineral content in your water supply. Now, let's address some common questions. What is the white stuff coming out of my faucet? That's probably mineral buildup, similar to what you find on your faucets. You can use the same methods I mentioned to get rid of it. What is the white sediment in my faucet? That white sediment is due to mineral buildup. It's quite common, especially if you have hard water. Just keep it at bay with vinegar, lemon juice, or commercial cleaners. So there you have it, mystery solved. That white stuff on your faucet isn't a cause for alarm, but now you know how to deal with it. Remember, at Golden Rule, we're here to make your life easier and your home more comfortable. If you have more questions or need assistance, give us a call. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to treat others how you'd like to be treated. That's the Golden Rule.